Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be putting you through how to farm Yolo token. Before we dive right into the tutorial, if you've been keeping up with us, you've been watching our videos and our videos have been helpful to you, please do support us by buying our educational token WikiCat. WikiCat is a token that is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. You can get the contract address of this token right in the description of this video. So let's go guys, tap that buy button as many times as you can, bag as many WikiCat as you can. Tell your friends about WikiCat guys, tell your family about WikiCat because we are headed to the moon. If you need a guide on how to buy WikiCat, you can check out our tutorial video on how to do that. So we're diving right into the tutorial. So I'm going to be putting you through how to farm Yolo token on Stakland. If you can remember, in one of our tutorials, we ever learned how to farm Moon token on Stakland. Yolo is just another project that is live on Stakland. So what we did in Moon farming is quite similar to what we'll be doing in Yolo farming, but not everyone is eligible to farm Yolo token. You have to have at least 1,000 memes staked on Stakland. So if you have your meme staked on Stakland like me, or you intend to stake your meme coins on Stakland, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right into the tutorial guys. So as you can see on our screen, we have Mrs. Browser. So we're going to be using Mrs. Browser in this tutorial. So let's open Mrs. Browser. Okay guys, so we're going to go over to Stakland. So I'll just paste the link. Alright guys, so we're here and the first thing we want to do is to connect our wallet. So connect. Okay, I have to switch to Ethereum network. Okay guys, we're connected and as you can see, the amount of meme that I have staked is already visible and the stakes that I've accumulated so far is visible. So like I explained in the Moon farming tutorial, how farming on Stakland works is you basically stake. There are actually two ways of farming. You can decide to stake your meme tokens, and while your meme token is staked, you earn stakes. Right, as you can see, this is the amount I have staked and this is the stakes that I've been accumulating, right? Or you can decide to engage in social tax and in return you earn stakes, right? So at the end of the farming period, your stakes are burnt for real tokens. All right guys, so we're gonna come over to this icon and then we come over to air. I believe this means airdrop. So you can see Yolo game. So this is the project we want to farm. So select. Okay guys, so as you can see, you must have 1,000 memes staked before you can be eligible to farm this token. So you can also see that their tax, right? And you just complete these tax and then you're rewarded with stakes. So as you can see, each tax have its respective reward in stakes, right? So let's go ahead to complete this tax. So the first is to follow Yow Blast. So I'm gonna tap. Okay. Okay, so I just signed in my wallet. Okay, so let's go. Follow. So I'm gonna go ahead to follow, and then of course I'll go back to Stakland to claim my rewards, collect stakes. Okay, so I'm done with this. If you check my balance, you realize that my stakes have increased by 3,000 stakes. So let's go to the next tax. Tap. So I'll have to post this on X. So I will have to complete these tweets. I'm just going to type game. I want to play game. So and tag Yolo. Yolo. Okay. Posts. Okay, so let's go back to Stakland. Collect stakes. Alright, and we're done with that. So let's go ahead to do the last tax. Follow Stakland. Okay, so I'm already following Stakland. So let's go back to get our rewards. Collect stakes. Okay guys, we are done with the old tax. So you want to come here to check as often as you can if there are new tax, right? So that's it guys, we are done with the tutorial. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please do ensure to drop your questions in the comment section if you have questions to ask about the tutorial. Like, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next tutorial.